Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Row, and we're in the greenhouse today and we're going to look at scented pelargoniums. Massive fan of scented pelargoniums, especially Attar of Roses, which is what's in this package today. And first kind of comments on the packaging, and this is from Fibrix Nurseries, and I'm really proud that Fibrix are using recyclable materials. So what I'm going to do first is unpack this and we're going to look at what's inside. So there's something wonderfully old-fashioned of getting plants in newspapers that somebody's read at the nursery. I really like that. I'm old enough to remember that most plants, when you used to buy them off independent nurseries, came like this, came in newspapers, and that newspaper could go straight into your compost heap. Again, a massive eco thumbs up to Fibrix Nurseries for providing their pelargoniums in compostable bags. And by the way, these smell absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to pop them up now into peat-free compost, and we're using our favourite peat-free compost, which is Dalefoot. That's a recommendation. It's not an advert, folks. We go around trying out different products that work for us. Straight away, nice healthy roots poking through. They're being grown what looks like in a large coir disc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pot this on into a mix of peat-free and coir. See how it goes on. You want to pot it into a pot that is roughly a finger width bigger than the plant at the moment. Okay, so a finger width thicker than it would be if I just left it like that. Okay, slightly bigger pot. I'll show you what I mean by putting it into a pot so you can see. So here's my pot. We're still using plastic pots here on Pig Row. We're literally working our way through them. Once they're broken, that'll be the end of them, and we'll replace them as we go with terracotta. So let's take our Attar of Roses pelargonium, and I'll show you now what I mean by a finger width. If you can look here now, just zoom in, I can just about get my finger down the side, so that's great for potting on. Now, there's a lot of confusion about potting on. It's really simple. I've just literally put it in the pot. All I need to do now is fill around the sides with a compost of my choice. I'm using peat-free and a mix of coir. So I could just go for coir if I wanted to, as long as it had added nutrients, or I remember to add nutrients when I'm watering. So I'm going to go for a mix of peat-free and coir and see how it goes on. It's my mix of peat-free compost and coir, literally 50-50, and now I'm going to just pot it on into my Attar of Roses. So there's my Attar of Roses, and I've literally just popped in the composter inside, gently firmed it down, and that's the final result. I said before it was a coir ring. It isn't actually. I've just looked at it more carefully. It's cardboard. It's a cardboard pot. Simple, isn't it, really? We know that's going to rot down. That's a fantastic thing to see. So there you are, 4 Attar of Roses pelargoniums potted on. I'm going to give them a quick water now, because you must always water something after you've potted it on. And later on in the year, I'm going to show you how to take cuttings off these before winter hits. And that's it from Life on Pig Row today. If you like our videos, we put one up every Saturday. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the little bell and that'll notify you when there's a new video up. Thank you for your support, and until next time, bye bye.